So here I'm showing you a couple different iron condors. We have on the left here is a higher probability iron condor. And over here on the right, this one is a lower probability iron condor. But if you learn how to manage it, you can oftentimes make more profit, increase your profit per trade, and maybe the loss will be a little higher than the high probability one as well. It's just another new instrument you're now picking up to see if you can perfect this craft and this iron condor to where you can make this one into a money machine. You just can't switch back and forth from one to another in different trades and not understand what the risks are, where you need to manage it. Each time you change some of the details of the strikes you're selling or the expiration, it becomes a different animal that you actually have to learn and practice and understand when you will manage the trade. And you also have to pick a stock or an index that will benefit from the type of iron condor that you're putting on. If you're putting on an iron condor that is, like in this case, from 146 to 152, but the market is gyrating 12 points back and forth, this trade will drive you crazy. You'll be adjusting it or exiting it so often that it just isn't worth putting on. But over here, we have an iron condor that is 12 points wide. And if the market was gyrating back and forth within a 8 to 10 point range and you were using this one, you would probably have success most of the time without even having to manage it too often. But when you do have to manage it, you better set an alert if this trade starts to come in where you're starting to get down on your position. You better set some type of an alert to make sure you don't lose the full amount on this trade, because that's how you survive in this business, by knowing what to do when your trade's in trouble. And this information does not come to you miraculously after the trade's in trouble. You have to be ready for it before that happens. So if you're not ready for it, don't put the trade on yet. Make sure you've practiced and understand what to do and you're comfortable with it and you've seen yourself get the results you're looking for, and then you commit your hard-earned capital to it and you'll find that you'll have results that will be more than satisfactory.